Hi, boys and girls. Today is Tuesday, March 9th, and we're working on math, and we get to use your new math book. Volume 2. We're going to do several pages, 4 different pages today, but they're easy. And so you need page 347, 349, 353, and 355. Okay, pause as you get those. Okay, so we're going to start with just kind of watching and listening, okay? We're talking about, we're going to be talking about place value, okay? So, it's when we're talking about tens and ones. And if you remember in kindergarten doing the straws and how you have each day you put a straw in, hopefully your teacher did this. Each day you put a straw in, and then when you get to 10, you put a rubber band around it and you move it over to the next pocket. So you have 1 10 and then you have 0 by themselves. So that's kind of what we're going to be talking about the next couple weeks. I'm not sure. So the first thing we're going to talk about is teen numbers like 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. And how those numbers work is, you remember talking about tens frames before. Tens frames. That means that this is full, so that means there is 10, right? And blank more. Let's see, how many more? 1, 2, 3. 10 and 3 more, and that makes the number 13. 10 and 3 more makes 13. Let's try. Every time there's going to be 10, erase this. Let's do 10 and 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 10 and 7 more makes 17. Okay? I think this will be easy. This will be so easy. Page 347. Page 347. All right. We're looking at this page. We are going to draw 10 circles. Okay? So we have 10, and then we're going to draw 4 more. So we have 10 and 4 more. It didn't say to do this, but let's say equals, what would that be? Equals 14. 14. Okay. Pause if you need more time to draw those. I was kind of quick. When you see the other side, you're going to think this is so easy. So easy. We have numbers from 11 to 19 can be made with one group of 10 and some more. So we have 10 and 1, 2, 3. 3 more equals 13. So they're showing you how to spell all of these numbers. too. So you're talking about the teen numbers and looking at how they're spelled. Now we have 10 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 10 and 5 more equals 15. 10 and 5 more equals 15. Okay, you are going to do these on your own. You're writing how many more, and then you're writing what's all together. How many more all together on all of these. So either pause and do that now, or wait until we're done with the whole thing. This will be so easy, right? Okay, on the other side. Ben has the cars shown. These cars. Circle a group of 10 cars. So we got to count. As we're putting it in a circle, we need to count. Okay. I'm going to go like this. So I'm going to start my circle here. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to count and make sure I have 10 inside my circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep. I have 10. So how many are outside the circle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. What would be 10 and 8 more? I think maybe somebody said it. 18. 18 cars. Marie has 10 teddy bears in her room. She also has 2 robots. Marie says she has 8 toys in all. Is Marie correct? No. Draw a picture to show how you know. So let's draw 10 circles. And 2 more circles. All together, that's going to be 12. I think she subtracted. I think she took 10 and she took 2 away. All right, choose a number from 16 to 20. Explain how many tens and how many more. Whatever number you say, I'm just going to say 17, but you can choose whatever you want. I'm going to say 17. It has 1, 10, and 7 more. It's not exactly a sentence. If you chose 19, you'd say 1, 10, and 9 more. Okay. Pause if you need to finish this or if you wanted to do the other page. We're going to talk about the next page. It's, I have a tickle in my throat. Good thing nobody's in here. Okay. It's going to take me just a second because I want to do something, because I want to show you something in just a minute. Okay. The other page, we're still talking about tens. And I have these cubes. Maybe I shouldn't have chose black. That's probably not good. But I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have 1 10 here. I'm trying to get it so you can see it. 1 10. If I had 3 of these, so 1 10 equals 10, right? I have 10 here. If I had 3 of these, then how many would I have? I'd have 10, 20, 30. I'd have 3 10s that makes 30. If I had 7 of them, I would have 7 things of 10, and it would make 70. I have a tickle, like I said. We're going to watch a video, and they're going to talk about this.
Tens. These cubes are in groups of 10. I can count by tens to find how many. 10, 20.
Let's use these connecting cubes and make a group of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 1 10. 10 ones equals 110. Now we can try another problem. How many 10s do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 10s. We can count by tens to find out how many ones there are in the 4 10 trains. 10, 20, 30, 40. This is how we write and say 40.
Okay. So, let's go back to the book. Keeps wanting to change here. So, sorry. So now we are on this page, page 353, and we are going to draw one circle in each square. We have 10, right? We had one group of 10 there. That was easy. Let's go ahead and turn the page. Here it says you can group 10 ones to make a 10. So here there are 10 ones. They're all by themselves. We call those ones. All of those are ones. You put them together and it makes a 10. Here we have 1, 2, 3 10s. When we count by tens then, 10, 20, 30, 3 10s equals 30. That's how you spell 30. 3 10s would equal 30. Just like when we do the straws to count how many days we're here, we group, once we get 10, we'll put a rubber band, so it's 110, but there are 10 straws in there. Once we get 2 10s, they each have 10 in there, so it makes 20. So, let's do this together. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s equals 10, 20, 30, 40, which they have the number here, but just to make sure you understand, 40. Let's see how many 10s there are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 10s makes 1 or 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70. You are going to do all this on your own. So either pause now and do that on your own, or wait until we do the back. Okay, Kelvin has 7 groups of cars. There are 10 cars in each group. How many cars does he have in all? So he has 7 groups. We're going to pretend that we're drawing those tens. So we're going to pretend that we're drawing something like this, the cubes. Okay, I'm not going to draw each individual cube. I'm just going to make it tall. 2. So we have to draw 7 of them. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Uh-oh, boys and girls. I'm getting kind of a cough. I've had both my vaccines. All right, 7 groups of cars. Each has 10. So let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just to make sure we have 7. Each of them has 10, though. Each of these are 10s. So we'll be counting by 10s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 cars. So he has 70 cars. I'm guessing he has toy cars. Sadie is making cookies for the soccer players. There are 4 teams of 10. She makes 30 cookies. How many more cookies does she need to make for each player to get 1 cookie? Well, we know she has 4 teams of 10, so let's draw 4 of the 10s. Okay. So, these are how many players she has? 10, 20, 30, 40. But she only made 30 cookies. So she only made 10, 20, 30. How many more does she need to make? She needs to make all of these, doesn't she? She needs to make 10 cookies. Jaden says the pennies show 2 10s. Tell why Jaden is wrong. Make it right. Well, here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You have to have 10 in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So he does have 10 here, but he doesn't have 10 here. So we need to make it so he has 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So tell why Jaden is wrong. How many more did he need? He needs 3 more. Whoops. Okay. So you are going to do all the rest on your own. 10s and 10s and 1s, and we're going to be talking about that for a while. Talking about place value. I'm excited. It's something new. Okay, I will see you guys later. Bye.